Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Jaguar XE 2.0D R Sport Auto, a dynamic sports saloon that delivers luxury, performance, and advanced technology. The black exterior pack, signature Jaguar grille, and aggressive LED headlights give the XE a sporty and refined look. The XE sits on 19-inch alloy wheels, with its aerodynamic profile and electric folding mirrors enhancing style and practicality. The LED taillights, reverse camera, and dual exhaust complete the athletic stance, while parking sensors assist with effortless maneuvering. Enjoy heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and a heated windscreen for all-weather comfort. The infotainment system includes Bluetooth, DAB radio, navigation, and keyless start for seamless connectivity. Passengers benefit from premium materials and a well-crafted cabin, providing a comfortable ride with ample legroom. The XE's boot offers generous space, making it practical for both daily use and longer journeys. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration HF17XEJ to book a test drive or request a video tour.